This session is on diversity and nonprofit leadership, problems and, importantly, solutions, and looking at the ways that we as a sector can really address this critical issue of making sure that we are in the leadership of promoting diversity and not lagging behind even the private sector. We're going to have 5 dynamic presentations. There's going to be speakers and there's going to be images to provoke your mind.
Diversity. I want to make the case that not all diversity is created equal, and there are 2 things I want to talk about in particular. One is the importance of race. Diversity of all kinds is important, but race is race and poverty are the central issues of our society, and those are the ones that we need to be talking about.
Only 13% of trustees nationwide are people of color, and only 31% are white women.
To reach goals on diversity in this sector, we have to develop a common language. We throw these words around: equity, diversity, inclusion. They all mean different things to different people. We're stumbling over each other. We have to really talk about what they mean and how they fit together.
Goal! They have to have goals. Nonprofits have to have goals for diversity. That's how they measure it and keep track of it. Because it's important not only that they're measurable, but that the experts say you have to actually measure them and hold people accountable to them, and recognizing those goals that diversity can be an asset for your organization.
We're going to divide into 5 groups. After the small group discussions, we will then reconvene as a larger group, and we'll have a large group conversation, and we'll do some summary of our proceedings.
When we hear the word diversity, we want to think that it's almost passé. You know, we shouldn't be talking about that anymore. That was sort of 10 years ago. But I think that diversity is actually really, really relevant. And it's more relevant now than it's ever been.
But we did talk about diversity not being a process, but an outcome of what should be a robust conversation, robust actions, and processes around equity and inclusion.
So I do encourage everyone to go to the Envisioning Our Future and to go to the diversity part of that and to really look at it. It needs your input. And I think it would be good for you to just go there and to add on to that discussion some of your insights.